What's up, COD lovers? Today, myself, gonna play some Rebirth. But not just normal Rebirth. I'm gonna play it with only pistols. So let's get into it.
Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
NDVR, ready for launch. You're getting another chance. Weapons free. Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Enemy dropping into the AR. Get to the safe zone. You're losing ground. Moving. You've got a loadout drop inbound. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting. Friendly loadout drops on the way. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Target down. Marking the rest of them. Additional target active on 5 remain. Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them. You have reinforcements inbound. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting. Hunt down the rest of them. Marked remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
I got you.
Enemy dropping into the AO. 10 remain. You're almost done here. All bounty targets destroyed. Hell of a job. Back on station. Go get after him. Target down, marking the rest of them. Enemy soldier incoming. Hostile UAV in the area. Buy station prices are adjusted. Kill confirmed. We've located the rest of them. Your squad mates back on station. Good work. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Marked remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. About to end. Make it count. Kill confirmed. Located the rest of them. Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them. Got 10 squads active. Enemy soldier incoming. Enemy UAV overhead. Target down, marking the rest of them. Fire fail start. Prices are back to normal. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting. Enemy UAV is online. Insurgents This is the end game. Enemy dropping into the AO. Only 4 left. Some of your squad is outside the safe zone.
Took a round!
5 squads still operational in the AO. You're in the top 3. Don't let up now. Hostile UAV in the area. Supply crates have been restocked. Load up. You're in the last 2. Now finish this. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Head to the safe zone. Inbound. The enemy never stood a chance. Nicely done.